What is financial minimalism? Hi there, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we will share with you the real meaning of financial minimalism and the ways you can achieve a minimalistic financial lifestyle. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. As we get older, many of us are hit with the reality of being an adult. We have to work, take care of our families, and of course, handle our money. But having to constantly worry about money isn't healthy at all. If you have a wallet full of credit cards, too many bills to pay, or can't figure out where all your money went, maybe it's time to know more about the beautiful idea of financial minimalism. Financial minimalism is a balanced way of living that integrates minimalist financial practices. It enables you to concentrate on the things that are more important in life. If you believe that minimalism is a rigid discipline that demands you to live with only a pair of shoes, a few pieces of clothing, and a barren space filled with only the essentials, you are mistaken. Anyone can be a minimalist. It just depends on how minimal your lifestyle is. Financial minimalism is eliminating unnecessary spending and investing more, but less frequently, in vital items or services that will benefit you in the long run. A financial minimalist is someone who does not follow trends, can go out and amuse themselves without spending hundreds of dollars, and invests in quality rather than quantity. They are also the type of people who would prefer not to dine out as frequently and spend extra for a nice home because they know it would drive them and help them to reach their maximum potential. Financial minimalism does not imply cheapness. It equates to using your money wisely and strategically, and this smart way of life inevitably spills over into your finances. You spend less on unnecessary items, which leaves you with more money to spend on essential things, save, or invest. What are the benefits of financial minimalism? 1. Reduced spending. The most obvious advantage of practicing financial minimalism in your life is that you will spend less money on items you probably won't need, such as impulsive purchases. You'll have a healthier bank balance and be better positioned to live within or below your means if you have fewer things to buy and maybe some things to sell as you declutter your stuff Marie Kondo way. 2. Less worrying. Naturally, spending less will result in less concern. You may focus on budgeting for needs if you have fewer subscription services, credit cards, and other financial costs. 3. Living more. One of the nicest aspects of financial minimalism is that you will have more money for things that are important to you. With fewer financial obligations, you may spend more time with your family, pursue hobbies, and live a more fulfilling life. 4. Saving the environment. As an extra benefit, living a minimalist lifestyle allows you to consume less and reduces your carbon footprint. Now that you know some of the benefits of financial minimalism, how do you start your journey? Budgeting. Budgeting is the most essential tip to becoming a financial minimalist. Start by writing down all of your monthly expenses. Keep track of them for a few months to get a better idea. Then, divide them into 3 groups. Essential, like rent, car payment, and school fees. Semi-essential, and luxury. This will help you see how much you spend on everything and even find hidden costs, like that gym membership that you haven't used in months or that subscription you got to watch just one movie and haven't used since. Set aside some money for an emergency fund and stop spending the rest. Cutting out extras and focusing on the semi-essential is a good way to save money and a step toward being self-sufficient. Live within your means. It's not enough to just cut costs and save money to live below your means. It's about getting in charge of your money. When you live within your means, you can handle an unexpected car repair or medical bill with ease. You might also be able to save for retirement and pay for your dreams and aspirations. Spending at the right place. Once you've written down your budget, you can decide what to buy and what not to buy. The basic idea is to buy the cheapest things and get the best deal, but that's not always the case. For example, if you buy a $25 shirt that gets ruined easily and wears out in 4 to 5 months, you might be better off spending a little more on a $40 shirt that will last you a couple of years. Things like how much something means to you also play a big role. Something might not be worth much, but it could mean a lot to you. Some other basics include buying an older car instead of the newest one. Not only will this save you money up front, but cars don't change that much over time. Avoid fast food and processed food. Healthy food can be pricey, which is why many people choose fast food. It is true that the healthiest things like lean meats, fresh fruits, and vegetables always seem to be the most expensive. But if you know how to eat healthy on a budget, you can spend less than if you went through a drive-thru. Appreciate what you have. It's easy to feel compelled to upgrade and replace your belongings on a regular basis. But try to appreciate what you have today and take on the duty of taking better care of it. Reduce your consumption by giving your assets a little more love and attention to make them last longer. Decluttering. You can get rid of things you didn't even know you had, or sell things you haven't used in a while when you declutter. Getting rid of any credit cards, memberships, or subscriptions that you haven't used in a while and shouldn't be paying for can save you tons of cash. Having less stuff makes it easier to keep track of almost everything and saves you money on storage and maintenance. It also helps you keep track of where your money is going so you don't pay for things you don't use anymore. Along with having a minimalist budget, streamlining your finances will go a long way toward helping you manage your money. Some may claim that financial minimalists miss out on all the juicy cash rebates from having numerous credit cards or the rewards from various digital payment applications. However, having only what you need helps optimize your budget, and this might be better than that additional 1% cash back or points you earn every now and then. If you have a slew of credit cards, savings accounts, and other financial instruments, maybe it's time to declutter. Don't fall into the comparison trap. There is always someone who has more and finer goods than you. You're setting yourself up for failure if you're continuously trying to keep up with the Joneses by living over your means. Is flaunting a gleaming life truly worth blowing money and plunging into debt for? No. Spend with purpose. Give your money a thorough examination and evaluation. In retrospect, some of your previous purchases may not have been the best use of your money. Discovering your financial beliefs and concentrating on goals might help you spend more deliberately and without regret. Buy experiences and not material things. Keep in mind that financial minimalism is a long-term endeavor. However, every modest effort you make will help you improve your money and eventually your life. Most importantly, it teaches you to prioritize what is essential to you and to value experiences over financial items or objects. After all, life is about the happy experiences we have and the people we enjoy them with. If you have a working budget plan, that's fantastic. Take note though that keeping a budget does not guarantee that you're spending your money wisely. Check to see if you can reduce your spending by eliminating the non-essential expenses or lowering the cap for a category. It might sometimes be beneficial to limit your goals to 1 or 2. It takes time to become a financial minimalist, and you don't have to follow all the rules to do so. Financial minimalism will not only help you save money, but it will also help you achieve financial independence by allowing you to invest in your future and create some passive income streams. As Warren Buffett famously stated, "Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving." And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.